Discover the dynamic intersection of artificial intelligence and cybersecurity as you delve into this section. You will learn about the diverse applications of AI in safeguarding digital environments, from threat detection and response to vulnerability management. Explore the transformative impact AI is having on enhancing cybersecurity measures, making systems more resilient against increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. In this section, you will also analyze the benefits and challenges associated with integrating AI into cyber defense strategies. Gain insights into how AI-driven solutions can significantly improve incident response times and threat intelligence, while also understanding the complexities and ethical considerations that accompany this integration. Through detailed case studies, you will examine real-world implementations of AI in cybersecurity. These examples will provide practical insights into how organizations are leveraging AI to protect their digital assets, offering you a deeper understanding of the practical applications and outcomes of these advanced technologies. Theoretical models that integrate AI and cybersecurity will be another focal point. You will explore various frameworks and methodologies that are being developed to enhance the synergy between AI algorithms and cybersecurity protocols, providing a foundation for more robust and adaptive defense mechanisms. Finally, you will look ahead to future trends in AI and cybersecurity. This forward-looking perspective will equip you with knowledge about emerging technologies, potential innovations, and the evolving landscape of cyber threats and defenses. By the end of this section, you will be well-versed in the current and future state of AI and cybersecurity, ready to apply this knowledge to real-world challenges and innovations.